Hello, I hope you were able to enjoy some of the beautiful weather this weekend. I know it's going to be short-lived as we look at a rough week ahead, but it sure was nice to see the sun. I know that we all watch with prayerful hope that the people of Ukraine can continue to sustain the tremendous courage that they have put in place. I know that we watch in horror that this could be happening in 2022, and we all feel called to be able to try and do something. We've donated medical supplies. I know folks have donated dollars and are sending things, and people are working around the clock to do anything we can. And the brave men and women that continue to persevere every single day. I add my prayers with yours to ensure that we get back to a place of peace. Lots of change this week in reference to the COVID and the vaccines and all of the great stuff happening. For us, we are under a green flag, which means that there are changes in the visitation policy, but there are still things that we have to do, which is why I started with a mask today. You still have to come in if you're seeing a loved one with a mask on. On the screen above shows you those details, and again, we're just so glad that we've reached a period of time where the transmission rate is so low that we can be back to a more normal period. Our vaccine tent has changed its hours. We are continuing to see a decrease in the volume that we're giving, so obviously pivoting to be able to serve those in the community who are homebound and elderly. So I'm thrilled to tell you that we have been blessed with many recognitions lately that I will share with you. The first is the Greater Philadelphia Business Coalition on Health. We achieved their Hospital Quality and Safety Award at Mullica Hill and Vineland. And this is a tremendous recognition for all of the great work that we're doing. They use some of the publicly reported data as well as leapfrog data. And again, it's just a great recognition of the hard work every day that staff are doing to make sure that we can keep you safe. And next, we've also received two 2022 Women's Choice Awards, one in orthopedics at Elmer and the second at Vineland for breast imaging and mammography services. I just want to really give my gratitude to the folks at Elmer. Dr. Catalano has been absolutely the leader there, and he was quick to point out that as good as the surgeons are, it really is about that full team of people that make sure that the nurses and the patients are able to work together to have the full and best experience possible. As well at Vineland, we are in a beautiful new facility, our breast imaging facility on Sherman Avenue, and I was so thrilled to be with the folks there. They were so proud. They have all of the latest equipment, and we're really proud of that. But it isn't just about the equipment, it's about how the care is delivered and really listening and talking to the staff there about being on the journey with people as they go through illness and as they get back to health. And again, for us, it's not about the awards, but it's about the affirmation that it gives to all of you that great care is going on right at home every single day. This week, we are also acknowledging World Kidney Day. 1 in 10 people suffer from some form of kidney disease. And we have a very unique partnership with DaVita that we have had joint ventures for years with them. And then together we can really walk with people on their journey through dialysis and awaiting that ultimate kidney transplant if that's indeed what's needed. And it is indeed a very long journey. I'm grateful to all of our leaders and our physicians who work so very hard with our patients and do such a wonderful job for us. March also marks Women's History Month, and for those of us who are privileged enough to sit at the top of organizations, I still know that there are a lot of women who came before me. In our own organization, Eileen Cardill was a former CEO at Underwood, and it's women like Eileen and others that opened the door for me to be able to step into these spots, a spot that just 20 years ago would have seemed the rarity. And I know Eileen mentored many, many women still in the organization, as well as in the hospital industry. And we are so very grateful that women like Eileen opened the door for others to come in. I wish you a good week, and until we meet again, be well and stay safe.